Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading na to for you guys, reminders muna tayo na hindi po ito for everyone, so just take only what resonates with you. No, so wala rin tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT crosswatchers, you're also welcome here mga babes. You can flip roles if you want because this is general reading here, and at the end of the day, you have your free will. Syempre naman, no, pwede nyo yung gamitin anytime. So, let's go ahead and check this out. No? Ano ba yung mga mensaheng posibleng maging kaganapan here for you? Cancer! So, spirits and angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Messages here for my dear Cancer. Can you please show me? Ano yung mga mensaheng dapat malaman ni Cancer, please? This is for my Cancerian people. What do we have here for Cancer? Messages for Cancer, please. Messages for Cancer. Can you please show me? Cancer. Parang nag-brown out ba sa inyo mga babes? So, nakaano ko ng parang pagpatay ng ilaw. So, maaaring nag-brown out or kayo to na matutulog na kasi kayo kaya kayo nagpatay ng ilaw or para magtipid. This could be your reading. Yan, no? So, let's see. If not, it's okay. Just take how this resonates, no? Marami pa naman tayong mensahe makukuha from here, no? Dahil nakuha natin yun, kailangan kasi natin i-mention. So, yeah, let's go ahead and check these messages here for you. Cancer. First energy we've got here for you guys is this. Wow. Ace of Pentacles energy, an opportunity, okay, for your money to grow. An offer, no, na nakikita kong hindi mo tatanggihan, kundi igagrab mo. This is the hand of the universe right here, no, like literally parang, ano na to, no, sapilitan. Na binibigay na to sa'yo. Tatanggapin mo na to, no, Cancer, parang gano'n, no. Yan, tanggapin mo na, no. Yan, no. Kung papansin mo, no, nasa lapag na, no, it's already in your area, no. Landed already in your area, no. So, ibig sabihin, no, dumating na to sa buhay ninyo ngayon, and I'm seeing you thinking, no, making a decision of grabbing this big opportunity. When it comes to your finances, money, it could be also related to your career, job, or business, yan, or you could have both. Now, this is something big because you can own a land here, you can buy your house, your dream car right here, okay? So, this is an opportunity na makikita mo right off the bat that this is worth grabbing, this is worth taking chance or worth taking risk, no? So, nakikita ko yan na talagang regalo to ni universe, no? At alam mo yun, no? Parang kahit mag-isip ka, no, nandiyan na sa area mo yan. So, yung iba, paparating na tong offer na to. Offer to, no, sa trabaho, offer to, no, na makikita mo agad-agad din. So, this might pop out everywhere or makakarating tong magandang balita na to, no, sa isang someone that you already know, or this could be someone here, no, na dun mismo sa trabaho mo, no, maririnig mo yan. Maaaring katrabaho, management, or coming from your boss, or meron ditong potential na business na gustong makipag-partner up or collaboration sa'yo. This is something big because I'm seeing you, no, na parang kaya mong i-reset yung life mo, no, into something here beautiful, no. Ikaw yung nag-organize, yung dream house na gusto mo, anong gusto mo rito, disenyo ng bahay mo, no, or whatever it is, no, something to do with worldly gains, no. Like, pwedeng dream car, ano ba yon, no? You can be able to buy that. Magiging capable ka, no, in doing that. Wow! We also have here na yung iba magsa-start na kayo here with your own family. Kung meron man kayong kakonek ngayon and you feel like na in love talaga kayo sa isa't isa, that you are each other's companion forever, then I'm seeing 'no, na medyo hindi na kayo rito mapaghihiwalay pa because I'm seeing you tying the knots here. This person will offer you 'no, na sumama ka na sa kanya 'no, together with his or her journey sa kanyang buhay 'no. Parang mas magiging masaya at maganda yung buhay niya 'pag nag-settle down at magkasama na kayo. This is a sweetheart baby 'no. So nakikita ko dito mga babes 'no, na kung sino man siya Cancer, this is someone here who will give you support, who will always be with you, who will always be patient and understand you, take care 'no, at magiging concern sa'yo all the time 'no. This person here, hindi ko na kayo nakikitang napaghihiwalay pa 'no. I'm seeing this person here wanting to build your future ng magkasama or together. If you do not have, someone here 'no, beside you right now, like single ka, okay, or what, I do pick up that someone here will definitely enter your life 'no, at makakasama mo siya, makakaagapay mo siya 'no, sa pagdadaanan mong pagsubok 'no. Doesn't have to be na mabigat yung pagsubok na yun, pero maaaring makilala mo kasi siya 'no, or makilala mo yung tunay na ugali niya 'no, kapag ikaw 'to na parang kunwari kahit yung mga simpleng bagay lang, example, pagalitan ka ng boss mo, eh, katrabaho mo rin pala siya. Okey, by the simpleng pag-tap niya sa shoulder mo na parang, "Okey lang 'yan, daan lang 'yan, hmm, alam kong kaya mo 'yang matapos, gusto mo ba ng tulong 'no?" This person will lend his or her hand to help you, give you advice or comfort you, dun na magsisimula yun. 'Di ba? So, sa umpisa 'no, chill-chill lang na wala masyado rito na parang, um what's this, wala masyadong, pagpapakita ng emosyon agad-agad 'no, pero maaari siyang mag-appear 'no, as a friend muna, 'yan 'no. So ilatag na natin muna lahat with the Ten of Swords energy. Yeah, sabi ko sa'yo iko-comfort niya kayo, eh. Kasi with the Ten of Swords energy, meron ditong sa iba, meron kayong pagdadaanan dito na pagsubok talaga 'no, pero para sa iba 'no, mga maliliit lang yun na mga bagay 'no. So for few of you guys 'no, this is something here na parang, yung iba kasi doesn't have to be na mabigat 'yan, puwedeng yung iba kasi na sensitive 'no, like mababaw yung luha, may gano'n kasi 'no, or parang, napanghihinaan ng loob 'no. Parang parang sometimes 'no, 'pag sinusubukan mo maging matapang 'no, parang sometimes hindi mo maiiwasan na parang hihina yung loob mo 'no, and this person will lift you up 'no, yung spirit mo 'no. This person will help your spirit 'no, na i-lift up here. Yeah, this person is coming in no time. Chariot card is right here, one of the fastest energy in the tarot. So, nakikita ko rito that if this person is someone new na paparating pa lang o makikilala mo pa lang yung tunay niyang ugali and you will start as friends, then this person will enter your life in no time, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi na kayo maghihintay ng gano'n katagal. This person could be owning a pet, could be cat, dog, or any pet or animal here. But if not, may respect siya, no, also with animals, no? And this person could be animal lover, no? So, yan. And also, I do pick up someone here living alone, like single, independent siya, no? So, kahit na animal lover siya, hindi siya nag-o-own ng pet, no? Pero iba may pet. But if this person here is not owning a pet, no? Kasi walang magbabantay, lalo na kung nakatira siya mag-isa sa isang house. Okay? So, yan. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, this is someone here who has this heart, no, has this compassion, no. And I'm also picking up that if this person here is already in your life, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ready to settle down na siya here with you. And this person here is tuloy-tuloy na talaga to, no. So kung nasa malayo man siya, kasi yung iba pwedeng LDR kayo, Cancer, no. Sabihin ko sana Gemini. Could be dealing here with Gemini, no? But with that Gemini, you're literally lovers here. So, I do pick up, no, na tuloy-tuloy na, no, ang pag-travel nitong person na 'to papunta sa'yo, no, this is taking action here, no. This person here wants to take charge, no, na mag-settle na kayo together. This could be a marriage proposal here, Cancer, and also I'm picking up that this person will definitely do not have any doubts kahit na 1% pa, no, in taking this connection to the higher level of commitment because this person is 101 sure na ikaw na talaga ang para sa kanya. Yan, 'no? And also what I pick up right here, 'no, yun nga, yung iba, 'no, puwedeng madaya kayo rito, 'no, or parang may mandugas rito sa inyo, 'no, or yung iba naman puwedeng mapagalitan, 'no? Yan, 'no, and I'm picking up that this is unavoidable, pero maganda kasi dito mo makikilala yung person na yan, 'no, diyan sa parang you feel down, 'no, you feel sad, 'no, but at the end of the day, meron ditong makakaagapay ka, 'no, may makakasalo ka, 'no, dito sa klase ng sitwasyon na 'to, 'no, and pagtapos ng conversation, 'no, you feel na magaan yung pakiramdam mo, 'no, like there's nothing na parang nangyari, 'no, like okay ka na, 'no, and this person is like, someone na nakatulong sa'yo, 'no, in dealing with that type of situation. Yan, 'no? And also what I pick up right here, 'no, yung opportunity pala na 'to kaya pala binibigay na sa'yo at pinagdidiinan na ni universe diyan, 'no? Kasi matagal na pala yan dapat nasa buhay mo, kaya lang yung iba kasi sa inyo parang na-stuck kayo dun sa inyong parang mga attachments, 'no, which are unhealthy in the past, 'no? Lalo na kung kayo 'to na parang may times na pinatawad niyo pa yung taong hindi naman deserve patawarin, yung mga gano'n or parang binigyan niyo pa ng chance 'no, makailang ulit na chance tapos gano'n pa din 'no. So, may mga bagay na na-stuck up kayo 'no, for quite long, okey? Pero dahil nga 'no, um if alam mo yun 'no, if it is meant for you 'no, then it will not pass you by 'no. Kaya ayan na, pinagdidiinan na ni universe 'to 'no, offer 'to when it comes to money. Yung iba doesn't have to be na tao yun 'no, puwede rin na toxic na trabaho na hindi mo maiwan-iwan noon 'no, kasi wala kang malilipatan whatever 'no, parang sinasalo mo na lang yung toxicities 'no, or yung negativities dun 'no, tinitiis mo, nagsasakripisyo ka 'no, kasi kailangan mo ng job or money 'no. So, it could be any situation, but it's toxic, it's unhealthy, 'no, it's something negative. But I'm seeing you na wala na yun, 'no, like wala na yun sa life mo ngayon kaya naman eto na, 'no, the beetle is here. Nakita ko rito na luck is about to happen here in your life. Luck, 'no, luck, parang lucky charm. At the bottom of the deck, we have here this, okay, Four of Swords energy, Nine of, yeah, whoever it is that is in your life that wants to take this connection to the next level, super healing ng connection na 'to. And if this is also a new person here, this person will help you to move forward in your life, 'no, and will create new memories para matabunan na yung mga syonget na memories ng mga kahapon. This is someone who is smart and wow! Yung iba options 'to when it comes to love. So, dalawa pa rito, 'no, isang isang person na may authority at yung isa gano'n din, parang may posisyon rin sa company. Yung isa matalino 'no, smart, hindi gano'n ka-obvious 'no, sa kanyang emotions and feelings here, okay. Pero 'pag kayo lang 'no, sweet, medyo shy type siya dito. Isa naman 'no, gano'n din, may pera rin 'to at may savings 'no. This is someone here who is faithful. Parehas naman silang magiging faithful here with you guys 'no, kaya mga healthy options 'tong nakikita ko 'no. Pero nakikita ko diyan 'no, na isa lang yung makakatuluyan mo dito, wala nga namang dalawa. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes that you have options here in love, and I do pick up that yung isa could be, embodying here na medyo may pagka-workaholic siya 'no, or busy siya when it comes to his or her work. Yung isa naman mga babes, something to do with authority, and I don't know why I'm picking up military background. So, maaaring, doesn't have to be na pumasok siya ng military 'no, wala tayong gender dito, pero maaaring involved siya 'no, sa pagkakawang-gawa, acts of service, parang Boy Scout, Girl Scout yung dating. So, baka na-experience niya yun 'no, nung maliit siya or what 'no, or ngayon 'no, involved pa rin siya sa mga activities like ganyan 'no. Meron naman tayong ganyan, 'di ba? Or whatever the case may be, this person here, I'm also picking up protection. So, this person here wants to protect this connection together here with you 'no, and this person will not let you get hurt. Actually, both of them 'no, parang kahit sino piliin mo keri lang. Yun nga lang medyo sasakit yung bangs mo 'no, yung baby bangs mo dito. Kasi parehas sila rito na magpapakita ng parehas rito na na pag-e-express ng feelings and emotions for you if you are single ha. Pero kung meron ka ng ka-connect ngayon, yun nga, expect marriage and proposal. Pero kung single ka man, nun taray, two people. Yeah, no, but take your time, no, in getting to know them, okay? I'm seeing them na parehas sila rito na ipapakita sa'yo, no? Marami akong nakikita rito na parang they're playing games or they're gonna play with your emotions and feelings like, na, wala. So yeah, okay, take it how this resonates with you, Cancer. Thank you so much. Sana ngayong love and oh, by the way, I heard travel. So whatever the case may be, maaring kayo ay mag-travel or kayo ay magbakasyon and this could be unexpected. Biglaan. Like parang pwedeng maaya ka lang, no? Or parang baka bigla kang maging representative ng kumpanya niyo, padala ka rin sa isang seminar or event, ganyan. Unexpected travel. May pagbiyahe. Okay? So yan. No, thank you so much, Cancer. Sarang ngayong love and light.